Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you RCS chats not supported or available on Android. How do you fix it? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Android device here and RCS chats is not supported, or you're having problems with it, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to open up your settings here, and you want to go ahead and look for the apps setting here. So again, scroll down a bit here, choose apps. And in the app section at the top right, you want to go and choose the option here that says show all apps. So let's go ahead and just select this one. Now, depending on your phone, it may be different, but look for something similar to that. So in here, you want to click on the search apps option or section here, and you want to go and just type in the following. It's going to be communication. You want to go ahead and just type in carrier. So it's going to start with carrier, and you want to look for either carrier communications or services. Now this depends on your phone. Sometimes it's carrier services, sometimes it's carrier communications. Again, depends on your phone. But once you do see that, you want to go and select this one. Click on the option here that says clear data. Now from here, you want to go ahead and just click on OK. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to look for messages. Go ahead and just type on search apps again. Just type in message or messages. Go ahead and open it up. Click on clear data at the bottom right here, and go ahead and just choose the option here that says clear cache. Now, choose clear cache, not clear all data. Now, it's important that you choose clear cache here because we are just clearing the temporary files that is stored inside the app. So if you click on the clear all data, this will erase all your messages. Again, just choose clear cache. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on OK. Now, once you've done this, you want to go ahead and just close any apps that is related to your messaging or anything that are related to RCS. But once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and go to Google Play Store. Inside Google Play Store, you want to go and search for the following. So again, this depends on your phone. So in my case, I have carrier services. I want to search for it, and you want to make sure that you enable this. Now, sometimes it may be disabled by default, so go and enable this. And once you've enabled this, just make sure it's also updated. So if you do see any update button, go ahead and update that. And once you've done this, you want to go ahead and again close any apps, messages, Google Play Store, and you want to go ahead and just basically turn on airplane mode. And once you have turned on airplane mode, you want to go and turn it off. And you want to go ahead and just start using it and see if that solves your problem. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.